Welcome to our BetMGM guide for 2025. Today, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know to place your first bet. Let's start by creating your BetMGM account. It's simple and takes just a few minutes. Once you've signed up, you'll need to verify your identity. This is a crucial step to ensure security and compliance. Now let's explore the BetMGM interface. Familiarizing yourself with the app and website is key to successful betting. To place your bets, you'll need to fund your account. BetMGM offers several safe payment methods for your convenience. Let's break down the different types of bets you can make: moneyline, spread, and totals. Understanding these will enhance your betting experience. Now that you're familiar with betting types, it's time to select a sport and event. What catches your eye? Let's place that first bet. Follow these easy steps to get started and make your first wager. After placing your bets, it's important to track them. Here's how you can keep an eye on your wagers. In conclusion, remember to bet responsibly. Set your limits and enjoy the process.